Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the SOXL ETF. We previously published a report on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Empower your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. However, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.55. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis and invested in SOXL 40 days ago when we first recommended it as a buy candidate, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 52.56%. That's an average return of 1.31% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating a potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 78.59% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 56.79% to 110.52%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 52.58% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -10.46% to 76.76%. This translates to a price range of $25.11 to $49.56 after a year. Our latest update for SOXL focuses on the question, is the SOXL ETF still a good investment after experiencing a 10.7% decline on Tuesday? On Tuesday, the price of the SOXL ETF dropped by 10.7%, falling from $31.40 to $28.04. This decline marks the third consecutive day of falling prices. Throughout the trading day, the ETF showed a 9.65% fluctuation, starting at a low of $27.26 and reaching a high of $29.89. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has experienced a loss of 8.28% due to its fluctuating nature. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 26 million on the last day, this occurred while prices were falling. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 79 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $2.21 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the SOXL ETF reached its highest price at $32.78 and its lowest price at $9.19. Currently, the price is 14.46% or $4.74 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 92.59% or $350.20 below the all-time high, which was recorded on November 26, 2020, at $378.24. In this video, we will be discussing the signals identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF has a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that the short-term average is above the long-term average, indicating a general buy signal for the ETF and a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $30.99. On the other hand, if the ETF falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $25.69. A break above the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a 13.32% decrease so far. It is likely that the ETF will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It is advisable to closely monitor the ETF in light of these developments. In this video, we will discuss some interesting signals that you should pay attention to. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator has shown a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator provided a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 37 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the signals. The short moving average signaled a sell 19 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 22 days ago. For more signals and in-depth analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss for SOXL. SOXL has a support level at $27.92, which signifies a potential buying opportunity. When this support level is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the price. However, it's important to note that this ETF can experience significant volatility throughout the day. Due to its high-risk nature, it is considered a very high-risk investment based on the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the past day, the ETF had a price range of $2.63 or 9.65%. On average, it has shown a daily volatility of 4.94% over the past week. Today, we'll be discussing the potential day trading levels for SOXL. When it comes to an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $30.19. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $27.92. If this support level holds, it could be a great entry point, as we can anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $26.67, which represents a decrease of 4.88%. It's important to note that this particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for the SOXL ETF. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for the SOXL ETF to perform well in the short term. Additionally, our systems have identified that the current price of the SOXL ETF is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate that the SOXL ETF will open up with a gain of $0.357 and start trading at $28.40. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for investment advice. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. We're excited to share our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. What's your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.